Well, good morning, everyone. I hope everybody's having a lovely day. Hopefully you can hear me, because I have to put you in a different mount. I can't find my other mount right now. But I'm going to I got some of these heavy duty T-bars from Fish Bite Rod Holders. And I'm going to put them on this mount. Well, in this mount. Got that off Amazon. It's like 50 bucks. It's made for like made for different mountain points. So I got the VersaTrack system, and this just comes with the hardware for this mount and the Fish Bite Rod Holder system. The T-bars. We're just going to compare the two. See which one bites the best, or holds the best. Have to be mindful of my, well, see, they're tightened down and they look and they move, so you might have to use the T-bolts unless you get their kit. Here's the T-bolt. The taps that come where I ordered with them, easier to move. And then the mountain plate that comes with it comes with all the hardware from Fish Bite Rod Holder Company. It's got these right here that if you want to just, I don't know what these exactly are for. Put a spot of grease, keep it from seizing. But see, it don't line up just right on this plate. So we use this bottom plate. You have to take all these, you'll have a bunch of extra stuff left over. Alright. And this will mount to that. And then this, let's see, I think I found one over here that mounts pretty close, but you got to put these down first.
Give us some time to make yourself get comfortable with it, and you can run a different setting. Cast further.
And after you get that mounted, find the holes that closely match. That one does pretty good, but it don't go all the way through. Let's see, I think that's about how. I got about 1/8 of an inch underneath, so if it pulls much, it's probably going to dent it a little bit.
Do you not have any more rubber pieces or anything?
No.
No?
Let's try it on the other side. So it's be on the inside, that would be the better. It would be back about 4 inches. Now we'll take this heavy duty T-bar. It comes with your hardware. And we got, these are Fish Bite Rod Holders. These are with a 6-inch extension to it. make it loose or adjust anything. I may. Here's the other one. It's mounted on the outside. It doesn't seem to be as wobbly, so I may still do that. I like that one better. So I think I ain't got enough time before work. That just seems like too much wiggle room. Better though. Seems like it's better. Alright. So I moved it from that was right here to right there. Seems to be a little more rigid. Can't really move it back because of the mount right here, which you could probably order another one and put it on like a SmackDown holder or something. I think they make them. But now I've got 3, 4, 5 extra one of these. So we can put the net, some rods, which I got 3 catfish rods. Well, I got another one on the way because I love my Mad Cats. That thing was awesome, lightweight, easy to throw. Oh, I need that for work. Awesome. So, yeah, good deal. And I actually just put the longer rods back here when we're out and about, so it don't take up floor space like it's doing right now. So, all right. Well, y'all have a good day. Stay safe, and hopefully we get to go fishing pretty soon. And you can get these rod holders, this heavy duty T-bar from this company right here. Also has a Facebook. So y'all have a great day.